how to embed a video on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you've learned how you can embed a video on Vimeo, and it's very simple. The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account. Once you're logged in, select the video that you'd like to embed. So after selecting the video, you'll be taken to the video setting page. Alright, so once you're on the video setting page, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner where you can see some icons such as analytics, comment, share, and more sharing options. So click on the more sharing options, and then you can see the 4 options displayed: copy link, copy embed code, download, publish. So click on copy embed code, and after copying the embedded code, the next thing for you to do is to go to your website or blog's HTML editor, paste the embedded code where you want the video to appear, and then just like that, your video will be displayed on your site. It's that simple. So you can see how easy it is to embed a video on Vimeo. It's you can just select the video you want to embed, move to the top right corner, click on the more sharing options, copy the embed code, and you are good to go. This is how you can embed a video on Vimeo. Thank you and have a good day.